What would happen if Elon Musk defies a court order? Let's figure that out in today's video. This article is by ABC News titled, "What would happen if Musk tries to defy court orders?" By Peter Baus. And the article reads, 3 weeks after President Donald Trump's inauguration, the federal judiciary is beginning to rein in the president's unilateral efforts to reshape the federal government. On Saturday, a federal judge in New York blocked individuals associated with Elon Musk's Department of Government Efficiency, DOGE, from accessing what effectively serves as the government's checkbook. And on Monday, a judge in Boston will consider whether to pause a sweeping buyout offer that could historically reduce the size of the federal government. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, that buyout offer deadline was supposed to expire today, but they did wind up extending it. With Musk now flirting with the idea of defying court orders or targeting judges, the third branch of government might soon confront an unprecedented scenario in the modern history: the President of the United States openly and willingly disobeying a court order. While such a challenge is yet to materialize, the federal courts have a few options to enforce their orders according to the Constitution and constitutional law. Professor Justin Levitt, who previously served as a senior policy advisor in the Biden administration. The first option that the courts yield is exponentially escalating fines that could not only target someone like Elon Musk, but also the young employees working for DOGE. Quote, those sanctions could be quickly and swiftly painful, end quote, Levitt said. Excuse me. Quote, you owe me $1,000 today, double it tomorrow, double it the next day, double it again the next day, double it again the next day. Exponential curves are not kind, and that'll start adding up to a whole bunch of real money for which a 25-year-old is going to be liable, end quote. While Elon Musk, the world's richest man, might not feel the sting of $1,000 fine or could financially back Doge employees, the amount could quickly increase. Quote, there's real money in a hurry, and so I don't think that even the richest man in the world can wait out defiance with a court order for any extended period of time, end quote, Levitt said. The next option after sanctions could include an indefinite period of incarceration until the court order is obeyed. While Trump has pardon power for criminal offenses, his pardon power does not touch civil remedies, according to Levitt. Quote, the sentence would be I'm going to put you in jail until you execute what I have told you to execute, end quote, Levitt said. Normally, Congress could exercise its authority to prevent the president overstepping his power, but the Republican majority hasn't signaled its willingness to do such a thing, according to Levitt. Instead, some Republicans are beginning to purpose just the opposite. On Saturday, Senator Tom Cruise, who's a Republican from Arkansas, suggested the U.S. District Judge, that she who blocked Doge's access to the Treasury should be forbidden from hearing any case related to the Trump administration. Meanwhile, in the House of Representatives, Republican representative from California, Darrell Issa, said he would introduce new legislation this week to, quote, stop these rogue judges and allow Trump and Doge to tell you where the government is spending your money. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it looks like that's gonna do it for tonight's legal breaking update. If you did enjoy this legal breaking update, please make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, as well as hit the bell icon and the subscribe button, obviously, and comment. As always, I'm open to hearing your guys' feedback, your guys' support. Lastly, before I close out tonight's video, go ahead and follow me on my socials. That'll be linked down below in the video description, and subscribe or follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Threads, so you guys can be updated on every time I post a brand new video. That way you guys are always, and I mean most certainly always, posted on when an update on a very important breaking news article comes out. I think I see us being this close, and that's really close, to a constitutional crisis because of this administration, who should not have been allowed because they are an adjudicated, they meaning Trump, is an adjudicated insurrectionist by law and constitutionally. If you guys, I hope you guys please enjoy today's video, and I will see you guys in the next video, and please stay safe.